Hello everyone, this is Cam. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the center console on a BMW X1. It's the same process for BMW 2 Series, 3 Series, basically any car with navigation and the center console in here is the same process of replacing it. So problem with my car is if I click any of these buttons here, you can see there's nothing happening on the screen. So there's a 99% of chances that something wrong with the center console. So I bought the part from the main dealer from BMW. So you can buy it a lot cheaper from eBay. So I spent about 287 pounds, I think, including VAT. So reason for that is because my one is 2015 model, and I've checked on eBay, Amazon, I couldn't find the part. Found some, but obviously they were wrong connection port and everything, so it didn't work. So anyway, it's a very easy process, so you don't have to go to a mechanic to do that. You can do it by yourself. All you need one of these plastic tools to open this bit here, and you know, don't use the metal ones that can scratch your the plastic in here basically. So anyway, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So before I start it, guys, make sure subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it, and so then you'll get a notification every time I post a video. So please do this now, and I will see you guys in 15 seconds. Welcome back everyone. So all you need is this little plastic dashboard opener kit. You can buy it from eBay for like £1. So basically from this edge you just need to put it in and slide it through this, and it opens. So it's just a 1 second job really. And also you need to take this bit out, so also comes up very easily. So all you need to do, just take that off, put it through this, just leave it there for now, and there is a connection underneath, so you have to take that off. It's actually quite tight. Okay.
Yes, on.
Just take this bit off. First of all, it's easy. And to release this bit, I've done it already, but it's just few releaser in here. Just you have to push it in and just pull it out. It comes up quite easy. So I got the new part here, so hope it works. Let's try. So that just slides in, and you have to push it in until it clicks. And obviously after that, just connect this bit here. So let me try if it works now while it's open. So some of them needs programming, some of them just plug and play, so I'm not too sure if it's gonna work. Yeah, so as you can see, it's working now. So it works perfectly fine. Let me try all the buttons. Media works fine. Navigation, if I click the button, works perfectly fine. So it's very easy. So thank you very much guys for watching my video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more of these helpful videos. Thank you.